Are you tired of feeling stressed every time you think about your finances? You're not alone, and it is absolutely possible to feel calm, clear, and in control of your money. In this short, practical course, you will learn how to organize your finances, create a budget that fits your real life, start saving, and understand the basics of investing step by step. Hi, I'm Pamela. I've spent over 15 years helping people and organizations build sustainable and balanced systems. I created this course to make personal finance simple, approachable, and empowering, because financial health is part of living well. By the end of this course, you will feel comfortable making financial decisions, saving with purpose, and creating a future that truly supports the life you want. No jargon, no pressure, just clarity, calm, and confidence with your finances. Join me inside the course and let's turn financial stress into clarity, one simple step at a time.